Do you ever think of why New Zealand has been favorite for most of the international students? क्या वहाँ के पॉपुलर कोर्सेज या फिर न्यूजीलैंड की एजुकेशन सिस्टम या फिर वहाँ का परमानेंट रेसिडेंसी एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया या फिर न्यूजीलैंड की 8 यूनिवर्सिटीज? So today in this video we will cover why New Zealand is a perfect destination for international students. So now let's begin it. First, let's discuss the kind of universities and institution in New Zealand. So New Zealand is a home to 8 universities, all of which are recognized globally for their academic excellence. So this high ranking assures you that you will gonna receive and top quality education after completing your study in New Zealand. And if you think these are just claims, so
जियान हैं आप.
you can consider universities like University of Auckland, University of Otago and Victoria University of Wellington have a strong reputation for their research and academic standards. So there are 8 government-funded universities which offers undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Rather than that, there are some institutions of technology and polytechnics which offer vocational courses. Secondly, which are the popular courses in New Zealand? So New Zealand offers a wide range of courses with various interests and with a strong career prospect. So the popular domains include business, management, supply chain and logistics, civil and construction, tourism and hospitality, finance, law and etc. Now the next is gap years. You must be thinking that gap years are blockage here. So the gap years and multiple backlogs are also considered. So even if your academic profile is below 60%, no problem in that as long as you have relevant work experience. Moreover, New Zealand values work experience. So even if a student academic performance is not so stellar, not so good, so relevant work experience can enhance your application. Also, in some universities, IELTS can be waived off if you completed your degree from a Section 1 university as per NOOSR guidelines. Now let's move towards tuition fee. Forget in New Zealand, you pay the tuition fee only after getting your post-AIP, I mean approval in principle. So in New Zealand, a student only need to pay their tuition fee after receiving an approval in principle for their visa. So this reduces the financial risk of the students and ensures that they are not paying larger amounts without any assurance of their visa. And additionally, all the universities and institutions does not charge any application fee. It's making the application process more smoother and affordable just for you. And if you talk about funds in New Zealand, only 3 months old funds are required are considered in New Zealand. So this requirement ensures that the financial support is stable and not newly acquired for visa process. Now what about post-study work visa? You can get up to 3 years of post-study work visa after completing a 1-year course in New Zealand. So this visa allows graduates to gain valuable work experience which can significantly enhance their career prospects. And this country economy offers diverse work opportunities in the field like IT, business, healthcare and construction. Now coming towards wage rate. So the minimum wage rate is 20 New Zealand dollar per hour during classes and 23.15 New Zealand dollar per hour for 40 hours per week. And if you are coming from IT, construction and healthcare, then here you will get a great working opportunities and you will get a high rating in these type of courses. And the reason is that these courses comes under the high priority list of New Zealand. So now here comes the PR, permanent residency. If you pursue a course that comes in green list, so you can directly apply for a PR. And even अगर आपका course green list में नहीं भी आता है, तो you only need to achieve 6 points. So then the most important point for married people. If you are married, you can take your spouse along with you without any waiting period. And New Zealand की new update के according level 6, level 7, level 8 के लिए अगर आप study करने जा रहे हो, तो you can take your spouse along with you. But the condition is आपका course green list में आना चाहिए. And the last point is scholarships are also available. New Zealand offers numerous scholarships to international students, making education more affordable. So first is scholarship. New Zealand Commonwealth Scholarship cover full tuition fee and living expenses. New Zealand Excellence Award offers 5,000 New Zealand dollar covers first year tuition fee. And the third, the Wellington International Excellence Scholarship grant 20,000 New Zealand dollar over 3 years. So these scholarships help the students to manage their expenses throughout the study period and that's make the New Zealand as an attractive destination for students seeking financial aid. And after sharing all this, if you need more detail or guidance, so connect with our expert counselors. And if you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.